In this video, I will show you how to charge a no-show fee on Acuity Scheduling. So in order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com. You have in here two options. You can either click on this Get Started if you do not have an account yet, or if you already have an account, you can click on this Login. If you have a Squarespace account, you can use that for Acuity Scheduling itself. So head over and click on this Login or Get Started option. In my case, I'll head over and then log in. Now in here, I can see the homepage of my Acuity scheduling. So in order to charge a no-show fee in Acuity, you need to first enable a payment processor. Head over right here to the payment settings option. You can connect Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Then from there, let's head over and click onto this connect option. And then it will open in here this. So just head over and then follow the on-screen instructions in order to connect your own Squarespace into the Stripe itself. Enter in here your email address and then submit it and then just follow the on-screen instructions. So for example, you already followed it and you're already connected those two together. Next thing you need to do is you need to head over and then create a clear and transparent cancellation policy that includes a no-show fee. So scroll down right here and you can see this. So in here, you can collect and save card details. You can collect deposits or full payment right here. And it's actually advertised to reduce no-shows. So just choose which one you want this. And then for this one, you can choose full payment, deposit amount, and deposit percent. And you can also choose the tipping option. Now you can also change your currency into this port. And in that way, you can actually reduce the no-shows that you have on your Acuity scheduling. So that's how you charge no-show fee and Acuity scheduling. Hope we help.